packing up, getting ready to go. We're gonna try to get out of the rain somehow. Trying to avoid the rain so we can get some drone shots. Phone charger, important. Sleep this. Boop. Sleep this. Made it to a Starbucks. The weather's terrible. So what do you do when the weather's terrible? Well, go to a chocolate factory. That's where you go. Let's go! Here it is. Get excited. Does it look the same since last time you were here? Dude, does it look different?
Oh my god, this is heaven.
Welcome to Hershey's Chocolate World. As you've seen, we're in Hershey's Chocolate Factory. I don't know, what do college kids do on weekends? I guess go to chocolate factories. What else do you do? I mean, yeah, and there's free. We're on a free tour right now, so we got Hershey's Kisses, we got almonds,
Donates as well.
Reese's, Twizzlers, cookies and cream. Not exactly sure what we've gotten into here, but we're definitely gonna ride in these cars. And yeah, so we're gonna have to make a run for it because the track doesn't look like it stops. Whoa, here we go. Oh, we're in.
Please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the...
Not gonna lie, it's a little strange. We got cows singing right now. Not sure how I feel about this.
Feed them into our break-in chamber, which cracks open the shells at high speed. Inside each shell
Wait, are you serious? They just shoot them at a wall? That's how they break them?
Temporary ride stop. Please remain inside your car and remain seated at all times. The ride will
Seems like we're experiencing some technical difficulties. Yeah, I really felt like I was gonna actually get a tour of like what they actually do, but
Share some goodness.
share some goodness. Hershey's Chocolate Factory.
Wait, does that mean we get free samples?
Oh, yes. All about the free samples. Hershey I don't know. I mean, it's cool though. Like I like the shop, like the merchant shop. Yeah, no, definitely don't regret. We'll see. Oh, there goes the door. There goes the door. Go, 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 go.
Ready.
Whew. That was close, honestly. I feared for my life there.
We got free pictures.
What? They give you free pictures. This is insane. Look at this. All right, so as I was saying here, huge teaser. They get to the end of this ride and they give you this really nice picture packet of all these pictures that they took during the ride. And
is that like a GoPro or is that?
It is a GoPro. Yeah, it's a session. Anyways, they give this really nice picture packet. They put it in your hands, and then you can't take it with you unless you buy it.
Wait, the Reese's king size hearts are only 50 cents.
All the more reason to buy two. Bought some candy. We're heading out. The adventure trek is to be continued. So here's the deal. We were gonna go to the Indian Echo Caves, which is also here, but they close at 4, and it's, I don't know what time it is. It's 4:30 right now, so that's not gonna happen. We can go check out the museum. So just in case, I'm gonna flash you there. We're here. So yeah, we got to the car museum, got to check out the lobby. They're closing in like 15 minutes. All right, let's get Noah, get some dinner, let's get some food. I'm hungry. You hungry?
Not really.
Not really? I don't know, I can go for some food. Welcome to Harrisburg. We're heading to this restaurant called El Sol. It's supposed to be a good Mexican place. We're gonna check it out, give you a review at the end. Maybe walk around Harrisburg for a little bit. It looks like a really nice city. I've never been here before. Nice little church in the background. La Noche Cantina, as you can see, the streets are pretty well lit, festive. Here we go, El Sol.
Yeah, your side of
El Sol. I don't know if my finger's touching this or not. Great restaurant, loved it. I got myself some enchiladas. Noah got some fajitas. We had a good time. Oh, the coffee was really good. Also, we had some coffee to finish it off. So, I mean, all around, great restaurant. If you're ever in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, El Sol is the place to be for Mexican food. Uber.
Week 5 over. We're done. We finished week 5. Got some drone footage. Awesome. Traveled to Hershey. Guys, it was awesome. Saw a museum. Awesome. It was raining. Not so awesome, but we made the most of it, so not bad. I hope you enjoyed week 6 coming soon. If there's anything that you want to see specifically, if there's anything that you want to see, please put it in the comments so I know what I should be filming more of, just so these just keep getting better and better. See you all next time. Again, hope you enjoyed, and that wraps it up.